Hey friends, if VMware is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, delete any third-party antivirus app, and this is the main cause behind VMware not working because third-party antivirus apps are very overprotective. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Now scroll down and check for your antivirus app. I had McAfee here. So I'll click on it and I'll uninstall it and uninstall it and then uninstall it once again. The next solution is to remove rival virtualization programs. So in the same menu, if you have any other rival VMware program, uninstall it as well. The third solution is to clear the TPM, and first of all check if the TPM is working. So press the Windows key and the R button together, type the command tpm.msc and hit enter, and this will open the TPM window. Now here's the status. It says the TPM is ready for use. If the TPM is ready for use, well and good. If not, then clear the TPM and then restart your computer after that. But if your system does not support TPM, there are other ways to bypass its requirements, but I do not advise that because if Windows does not want you to do that, then you should not be doing that. It may cause problems. I will not suggest that as a solution. The next solution is to disable memory integrity. Now, how do we do this? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the device security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select core isolation and turn the switch off for memory integrity. Just that. The last solution is obviously to reinstall VMware. Now, how will you reinstall VMware? Open the Microsoft Store, search for VMware, and let's see if we find it here. No, it isn't. So we'll search Bing for it. VMware and hit enter, and then go to VMware, and then you can register and then download it. I'll find it. Here it is, vSphere. So you can download this and install it on the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.